myself a new do. Woo! In this video, I am going to tell you the story behind this amazing mullet wolf cut by hair genius Jane Matthews. Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and I love you. If you haven't subscribed, please do and tap the bell for notifications. I've been following Jane for quite a while, and 8 months ago I had the extreme honor of getting my hair cut by her. It was the coolest experience. It even exceeded my already super high expectations. I have a video on that I will post here. The problem is that it just ruined me for life for anybody else. And I'm really fortunate that she agrees to cut my hair. Now, the previous haircut that I got was by far the best I've ever had in my life, and it literally lasted me 8 months and looked good throughout the 8 months. I honestly would have never believed that had I not seen it with my own eyes. I've been taking a short video and photo of my hair every month, so let me show you months 1 through 8, and you can see for yourself, I'm not kidding, it looked good all throughout. I did use Jane's bang trimming tutorial a couple times throughout and trimmed up my bangs a bit. I was just getting ready to do her crown trimming one that she recently put out, and I got a message from her that she was coming to LA and could cut my hair. Of course, I jumped at that opportunity. I absolutely loved my shag, and I've been wearing a shag for a little while, even before Jane cut this one. And I was ready for a change, and I've been seeing sort of the mullets that are inspiring her, the wolf cuts, and I decided to go for something like that. Getting ready to go in and get my new little feminine mullet that Jane's gonna be giving me. I'm just as excited as I was the first time, and I feel so lucky that I am one of the few people that get to get their hair cut by her. Most people would think this kind of crazy. I just drove a couple hours to get up here, and I'm driving a couple hours back, and I could care less. As I get older, what I realize is I'm always gonna strive for the best in myself and trying to get the best people to do things with me, best products and best brands I can afford and can buy. And this is such a treat to me. I can't wait to see what she's going to do. This woman is honestly just pure magic. I met her at Salon Wire, the cutest salon. It was closed that day, so we're the only people in there, and it was so much fun. So much fun doing the photos before and after, getting to know Jane even more. Watching Jane cut hair is just mesmerizing. And when she's doing it on you, it's even more mesmerizing because she is literally like some sort of a sculptor as she's just carving her petals and creating this magic. And she's kind of plays with your hair and does this stuff that just feels great the whole time, carrying on a great, open, honest conversation with you. And I don't know, I somehow feel like I've known Jane my entire life. Maybe we knew each other in another life, Jane. It was also fun because she really loved the cut. She really loved doing it. She loved it afterward. And I mean, look at this with the different around my face shaping. Oh. Out and squish.
Flip it out a little and squish is pretty cute. You don't have to do it. I'm sure it's cute. And then I like to kind of part the mullet part in half. And then kind of smush it too.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Let's get up. Play with the bangs really. It's so cute. So special.
Oh, I love it!
Isn't that adorable?
Yes! I really, really love this.
It's really fun.
I don't think I've ever worn my hair like this.
Yeah,
Exactly. No way.
no way. And you can see it's just going to grow into a little shell.
Yeah, it's gonna be it's so cute.
Isn't it adorable?
Oh, I love it, I love it, I love
Yeah, it's a
it.
new thing.
Mm-hmm.
I love it too. So sweet. And then you can always just gently. And if you go too far and you're like, oh, I got frizzy or something.
The hair massage.
The hair massage.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Jane.
Isn't it
Genius.
so cute? Thanks.
I love that. Genius.
Short bangs. So cute, but really nice ones.
Yeah.
Perfect for your eyes, eyebrows, and face. So your face isn't going down. Really balances out your whole face.
Ooh, sorry.
It's beautiful. I see one hair I don't like. She's
We did decide to bring the length up a lot, which I'm glad about. It was kind of getting heavy. And even Jane herself said that she normally doesn't cut length off, but with my long face, it was kind of dragging me down. And she was right. I just love it. It feels so much lighter and just better. I also think this is going to grow out just incredibly well. And I don't have to do anything with it. It's just effortless. My hair just does this with a few of those products. It's just remarkable. I'm now set for probably a good 6 to 8 months. I will get the crown cutting tutorial and do that now that it's a little bit shorter. Give that a go myself. And then again, spoiled, I am going to be going back to Jane, God willing, and have her do some more magic on me in a couple 6 to 8 months. What do you think of the cut? Do you like it? Definitely different. I feel sort of cooler. My husband says I look younger. I'll take that. But it's just such a fun thing for me. I love kind of changing my hair up. I've worn my hair so many different ways in my life, but never quite like this. I would absolutely love to know in your comments below. Thank you, Jane. Love you. I will keep showing you how this grows out. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it so much. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.